Hey everyone, in this video we will see WhatsApp can't download this document. Fix restore media, storage and backup steps. So fix one is check your internet connection. Weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt file download. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to improve connectivity. Restart your router or toggle airplane mode on off to reset the connection. Test connectivity by attempting to load a web page. Second fix is check storage permission and space. For Android, go to setting, then app, then WhatsApp. Tap on permission and allow storage and media files access. Then ensure your device has free space by deleting unnecessary files. For iOS, navigate to setting, then privacy, then files and folder, then photos. Grant WhatsApp access to all files and photos. Third step is clear WhatsApp cache. Old temporary data can disrupt download process. Navigate to setting and select apps. Find and select WhatsApp from the list. Tap on storage and cache option. Choose the clear cache option to remove temporary data. Fourth fix is restart and reinstall. Open WhatsApp and navigate to setting, then select chats and then chat backup to back up your chats. Uninstall WhatsApp for your device, then reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store or App Store. Restore your chat backup during the setup process. Thanks for watching.